everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Now, first of all, I want to say a huge thank you to Read Your Heart Jewelry, who have so kindly sent me these stunning pieces, which I'm so excited to share with you. This is actually the second time I've been lucky enough to collaborate with them, and the first pieces of jewelry that they sent me, I was so blown away, so I am so excited to share these with you. Now, two things. My dog, which you might be able to see him just here, he is a little bulldog, so sometimes you might hear some snoring or snorting or something like that, and my son is also just here, which I'm watching. So let's hope we can get through this video. Now, first of all, I want to say again, thank you so much, Read Your Heart Jewelry. All the links and everything will be down below. I also want to say, anyone who wants to place an order is lucky enough to get 15% off with the code NicoleLisa15. So if you like any of these pieces or anything on their website, make sure you do use that code, because who doesn't like saving money like this? Like, you know what I mean? This economy, save money if you can. Now, I have received the package. I haven't opened the pieces, so I want to start with showing you this. You receive this little pack, which is packaged so nicely, which comes with the little cleaning cloth, Read Your Heart, it says on that, which I love, silver polishing cloth. It also comes with a gift bag, which I think is so nice to have this. So if you do want to re-gift a piece, it's like it's come in its own package from a store. This is a little jewelry care instruction guide, which I think is also really nice, so people know exactly how to look after the pieces. This is something that I don't recall receiving with the last package I received. So it is a GRA warranty and certificate of authenticity with a warranty ID number. I don't know if I can show you that, but I'll cover it. It comes with this little card. This looks like one of those diamond grading things. So this is the Moissanite report, and it just goes through, wow, the report number, the shape and cut style, the measurements, carat weight, color, clarity, cut. Wow, this is exactly like the one you get from the diamond thing, which I know that sounds really unprofessional, the diamond thing. I don't know what it is. Now, I am a little confused because I asked for one specific piece and there are two packages in here, so let's have a look. They come in separate packages, which I love, so they're very protected. The boxes are so beautiful. This is the one that I ordered. So this is a, I'm sorry about the glare, a J necklace, which let me read you about it. Where is it? I was organized, I promise. So this on the website is called the Initial Pave Moissanite Letter Necklace in Sterling Silver. It's usually $149, currently on sale for $89. 95 cents, sorry, mind blank. Obviously it comes in the letters A to B. The main stone size is 0.8 to 1.5 mils. What else can I tell you about this? It's Moissanite. It's stunning. Let me show you. I love how they've packaged it in this little thing. Let me take it out and show you. So cute. Now, I'm obsessed with anything personalized, and when I saw that they did initial necklaces, I was like, yes, please, because my previous one broke. That's what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. I love that so much. Wow. So you will see me never take this off. And the second piece, which I'm very confused about, they have sent me a link to it, but I did not order it. so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look. It's like a beautiful big silver pendant. So I want to read you about this one also from the link. Now, they've said it's a rose gold one. It's the one they sent me isn't, which is good because I'm not a rose gold fan. So it's called the Rose Gold Halo Round Moissanite Sterling Silver Necklace. This is $98.95. And this one, I believe, is the 2 carat weight. Oh, no, I've got that wrong, sorry. 2 carat weight is $158.95. You can get it in 1 carat as well. And my goodness, everything about this is so beautiful. I'm going to take it out. I love that all their chains are adjustable as well, which I never thought I would really use and change the lengths of my chains, but depending on what you're wearing, it actually is so handy. So wait, let me show you what this one looks like on. Oh, the pieces are so shiny. It's amazing. Oh, this one's a bit tangled. I've tangled it within 2 seconds. Oh no. Okay, can I get this on? No, I've tangled it. Okay, well, let me sort this out. And if I can, wait, okay, that was easy. Okay, let me show you this on. I should be a bit more organized, but oh my gosh, look at that. That is like a statement. If you want a statement piece, this is it. So I hope you guys, my son's at his point of needs to move, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, if you're looking for any jewelry pieces, whether it be earrings, rings, anything, necklaces, check out Read Your Heart, because honestly their pieces are stunning. They last. I've worn my earrings in the shower constantly and I've had no issues with them with reacting to water or anything like that. So again, please use my code NicoleLisa15 for 15% off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It feels so nice to be back on YouTube, and hopefully you will see many more videos from me soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.